Swami Vivekanand, a towering figure in Indian history, was born as Narendranath Datta on January 12, 1863, in Kolkata, India. His life was a remarkable journey of spiritual awakening, social reform, and global influence. Early life and spiritual quest. Narendranath was a brilliant student, deeply curious about the world around him. He was also a seeker of truth, often questioning the nature of existence and the purpose of life. His intellectual pursuits led him to explore various philosophies, including Western thought and Indian spirituality. At the age of 18, he encountered Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, a mystic and saint who would become his spiritual guru. Under Ramakrishna's guidance, Narendranath underwent a profound spiritual transformation, realizing the divine within himself and all beings. The birth of Swami Vivekananda. Inspired by Ramakrishna's teachings, Narendranath, along with a group of disciples, took monastic vows and adopted the title, Swami. He chose the name Vivekanand, meaning, the bliss of wisdom. The Chicago Parliament of Religions. In 1893, Swami Vivekananda traveled to the United States to attend the World's Parliament of Religions in Chicago. His powerful speech at the Parliament, which began with the iconic words, "Brothers and Sisters of America," captivated the audience and introduced Hinduism to the Western world. He presented Hinduism as a universal religion, emphasizing its tolerance, inclusivity, and emphasis on individual spiritual growth. A global spiritual leader, Swami Vivekananda's impact extended far beyond the Parliament. He traveled extensively across the United States and Europe, giving lectures, conducting meditation classes, and establishing Vedanta societies. He also visited India, where he inspired a social and spiritual renaissance. Social reformer. Swami Vivekananda was not only a spiritual leader but also a social reformer. He advocated for women's education, the upliftment of the poor, and the eradication of caste discrimination. He emphasized the importance of practical spirituality, urging his followers to serve humanity as a form of worship. Legacy. Swami Vivekananda's legacy continues to inspire millions around the world. His teachings on Vedanta, yoga, and self-realization have had a profound impact on spiritual seekers and social reformers. He is remembered as a visionary who bridged the gap between East and West, promoting harmony and understanding among different cultures and religions. Swami Vivekananda passed away on July 4, 1902, but his message of love, service, and spiritual awakening lives on. His life and teachings continue to inspire people to strive for a better world, both spiritually and materially. Teachings and philosophy. Vivekananda's teachings emphasized 1. Advaita Vedanta, non-dualism. 2. Self-realization. 3. Service to humanity. 4. Harmony among religions. 5. Indian cultural heritage. Influence and impact. Vivekananda's legacy extends beyond India. 1. Popularized Hinduism and Indian spirituality globally. 2. Inspired Western thinkers and philosophers. 3. Contributed to India's nationalist movement. 4. Founded institutions for education and social service. Books and resources. The complete works of Swami Vivekananda. The Life of Swami Vivekananda, by Romain Rolland. Swami Vivekananda, a biography, by Eastern and Western disciples. Vivekananda, a biography, by Swami Nikhilananda. Documentaries and films. Swami Vivekananda, 1995. The Life and Teachings of Swami Vivekananda, 2003. Swami Vivekananda, The Modern Prophet, 2013. Vivekananda, Awakening India, 2015. Swami Vivekananda's remarkable life and teachings continue to inspire spiritual seekers and thinkers worldwide. Thanks for watching.